Hello viewers, do you know what's the most demanding programming language of the time? It's the powerhouse behind web development, data analysis, the genius of artificial intelligence, and the engine of machine learning. Any guesses? It's none other than Python. And guess what? Even the groundbreaking AI tool ChatGPT is crafted with the brilliance of Python. iTUX Academy, powered by iTUX, is launching a live training program soon. Our Python programming online training is designed for dreamers, creators, and innovators just like you. With hands-on exercises, interactive lessons, and expert instructors, you'll learn Python like never before. Are you ready to dive into Python's limitless potential? Visit our website and embark on your Python journey today. Check the dates and enroll now for a special early bird discount. See you in the session.